Okay lads, so you should know exactly what you're doing here. So very simple, exact same thing again. So an rud céine, agus an seo tá mí ag freagar na ceistena. Okay? So tá an bhfuil sin an ceist, so an bhfuil, and then tá nó níl. So we should know this, okay? So tá nó níl. So an bhfuil tú scoil inis. So dúirt siad tá, so they wrote yes, but is that right? No, because at the moment we're not at school. So it should be níl, okay? So níl. An bhfuil tú sábháilte. So are you at home? So tá, okay? Tá tú sábháilte. An bhfuil tuirse ort. Okay, so are you tired? So tá nó níl, and an bhfuil cuileog sa seomra. Is there a fly in the room? Tá nó níl. An bhfuil tú I wrong a tree. Are you wrong a tree? Tá nó níl. Okay? Agus an seo, so tá míid ag léig scéal, right, inis? So we're reading a story today, right? And what I want you to do is I want you to take a fiche or a video and post it on Class Dojo of you reading out this story as well. I'm going to post it on Class Dojo, you have to read it out, okay? And that's part of your homework today. So you get 4 points for this, because remember it's doubled. So it's 4 points for this. So I'm going to read it first. If you need to, you can go back to this point. So remember the time stamp on this video at this point. And so it should be around 1:30, 1:35. So come back to this point and I'll be reading this again, right? So Cuaig Níomh agus Liam go dtí an siopa piatí. Connic siad quinine agus ain. So connic siad quinine agus ain. So they went to the pet shop, siopa piatí, agus connic siad quinine agus ain, right? Cuaig Níomh agus Liam isteach. So they went in, sa siopa piatí, Ceannig Níomh iasc orga. So iasc orga, cad é sin? Goldfish, okay? Goldfish. Ceannig Níomh bowla agus bia don isca orga. So ceannig siad bowla agus bia. So bia don isca, okay? Cuaig Liam agus Níomh a bháile an mus. So cuaig siad a bháile an mus. So they went home on the bus. Cuir Liam isca, so isca, sa bowla, so sa bowla, okay? He put water in the bowl. Agus cuir Níomh an tiasc orga is seach san isca. So cuir siad an tiasc orga is seach san isca. Okay, so I'm going to read the whole story again just to help you out. So if you need to go back to 3 minutes, okay? So 3 minutes on the dot. Iasc orga, goldfish. Cuaig Níomh agus Liam go dtí an siopa piatí. Connic siad quinine agus ain. Cuaig Níomh agus Liam isteach sa siopa piatí. Ceannig Níomh iasc orga. Ceannig Níomh bowla agus bia don iasc orga. Cuaig Liam agus Níomh a bháile an mus. Cuir Liam isca sa bhowla. Cuir Níomh an tiasc orga isteach san isca. Okay, so does everyone understand that? So you're just reading that story for me. And then the last thing we're doing for Seachtain na Gaeilge, we're going to try to do something Irish each day. So for today, you're going to be saying this. So tá mé ag dul amach. You're going out. Okay? But this person, okay? Tá mé amhuill. So I am out. So tá mé ag dul amach. I'm going out. Because remember our AG is our ING words. Okay? So egg is our ING words. So going. Okay? So go, I am going out and I am out. Okay? So I'm fear seo. Cátá sé déanamh. Tá mé ag, what's he doing? Ag dul amach. Okay? Tá sé ag dul amach. Okay, ach an fear seo tá mé muid. Okay, so I am outside. Okay, so what I want you to do is you don't have to write this down. All I want you to do is take a video of yourself ag dul amach agus tóg fi seán what nor tá tú amach or a sorry. Come let's go. So tóg fi seán when you're take a video when you're going out and then take a video when you're outside. Okay? So one video when you're going out and one video when you're outside. So I'll have them labelled tá mé ag dul amach agus tá mé with, and you have to say that line in your video, right? So very simple, okay?